Hello, my name is Ramon Alvis Pinedo, and my call number is U2530964.
Hi, Hi, I am Isabel Chavez. My calling number is U2532972.
How are you?
I am fine, and how are you?
Well, I am great. Isabel, do you have a best friend?
Yes, and his name is Carlos.
What is his occupation?
He is an engineer.
Cool. How old is he?
He is 25 years old.
Now let's talk about his daily routine. What time does he get up?
He heads up at 6 in the morning. Then he take a shower.
So does he study?
Yes, he does.
Girl, does he study?
He studies at San Marcos University.
And what does he do after studying?
Well, he chats with friends, but he doesn't watch videos on YouTube.
And what time does he go to bed?
I see he used to wait and then paint. What's about you? Do you bet bets?
Yes, I do. Her name is Lucia.
And how old is she?
I guess she is 22 years old.
What is her occupation?
She is nerd.
Now let's talk about her daily routine. What time does she get up?
I think she got up at 5:30. Then she goes to the gym.
Does she work?
Yes, she does, and she also studies at CP University.
Where does she get lunch?
She has long as the restaurant.
What does she do before going into bed?
He plays video game, but she doesn't watch TV.
What time does she go to bed?
He goes to bed at 11 p.m.
Well, I had to go by.
Bye.